differentiate this close relationship with those of your friends and your family, the other two aspects of this chapter. It's going to make the difference. So, how do you communicate effectively in a romantic relationship? Well, the first way that is described in the chapter is through love languages. Love languages is discovered by a gentleman named Gary Chapman in his book, 5 Love Languages. Now, I have had this on my coffee table for about 6 months. It has been incredible in my relationship, so if you have not actually read the book, I highly recommend it. So, the 5 different love languages are going to be words of affirmation. So, any positive, confirming messages are going to be extremely important to one person in that relationship. Then it's going to be quality time. Quality time is actually spending time with your partner. The gifts love language is actually remembering anniversaries and things like that. Then there's acts of service, which is my love language, which is actually doing things for your partner, whether it's washing the dishes or driving home from a date or something along those lines. The last one is going to be physical touch. So physical touch is exactly what it sounds like, which is a hug, a kiss, or even as far as some sort of sexual relations is going to be involved in that physical touch. The second way to communicate effectively that is described in the chapter is to manage your digital communication. So in your digital communication, making sure that you are lowering your screen time and making sure that you are spending that quality time with your partner, especially if that is your partner's love language. Also making sure that if this is something that's important to you, is stating any of those mediated messages that are extremely important to you that your partner sends you. It's a sentiment and